To start using the number notated scores, there are only 4 things you need to know: notes, beats, rests, and octaves. The first thing you have to know is which number corresponds to which key on the keyboard. If you look to the piano, you will notice that there are many sets of the same keys. Each of these sets is called an octave. Within an octave, you will notice that there are white keys and there are black keys. In this system, each number between 1 to 7 on the white key corresponds to a note, and a number 0 means that you don't play anything. As there are many octaves on the keyboard, you can tell which octave the note resides in by seeing the number of dots either on top or on the bottom of the number. On most white keys, you will notice that they are situated between 2 black keys. On some numbered notation sheets, you may have also noticed that there were a couple of hashtag symbols and wondered what they are. Though we will love to trend with hashtags, these musical hashtags are known as sharps and are used for a different purpose. If you see a sharp beside the number, locate the white key belonging to the number, let's say 5, and play the black key on the immediate right. On the contrary, if you see a flat beside the number, which looks like a small letter B, play the black key to the left instead. So a 5 with a B is this note, 5 flat. Lastly, in order to know how long you should hold each key, see if there are any dashes or underlines beside or underneath the numbers. Each long bolded dash is 1 count, and each short dash is half a count. Underlines indicate reducing the value of a note to less than 1. For specific examples, please check out the How to Use guide, which can be found on our website www.readsheet.sg. Now, we will be trying the first 2 lines of the example found on our website for the song Fur Elise. As you can see, the first note starts with a tree, but what you will notice is that the tree has a dot above it. That means it is not the regular middle tree that you will find, but instead you go look for the corresponding tree with the dot on top of it. This will be the note. Next, as covered in the examples before, you see a tool with a hashtag beside it. That hashtag once again is called a sharp, a tool sharp. So what you do is you locate the tool that is found on the score with a dot above it, which is this tool. And a sharp would mean you play the black note towards the right of the tool, which is this note. Combining the first 2 notes together, that would be. Similarly, for the next bar, you realize that you have to play 3, 2 sharp and 3 again, and then you play 7 without a dot above. So it is not this 7, but it is this 7. So on and so forth. So now we will try covering the first 2 bars of the first line together. 3, 2 sharp, 3, 2 sharp, 3, 7 without the dot, 2, 1. Now that we have covered the right hand, let us cover the left hand of the example as well. As you can see from the example, the first 2 bars for the left hand has a big 0 in the bars itself. This means, as covered before, you do not play anything. The following 2 bars, however, has 3 notes each. Let us see what these 3 notes are. The first note of the left hand is a 6 with a dot below. The dot above the note means that it is the octave above the middle octave, and the dot below the note means that it is the octave below. So, the first 6 will be this one, followed by a 3 without any dots, and then a 6 again. The next 3 notes will be a 3 with a dot below, a 3 1 octave apart without a dot, and a 5 sharp. Put that all together and you got the left hands. Now, let's try putting this all together and play hands together. So, do you remember what is the first note? That's right, it's the 3 with the dot on top. This one. Let us begin. That's great. So, what you will have noticed is that on the second line, with the last note, it's a 6 with a dash beside it, as opposed to the rest of the note that has 2 lines below it. That is because the notes that you have been playing in this example all have a value of 1/4, and this note with the 6 and the long dash has a value of 2, 1 coming from the 6 and a +1 coming from the dash beside it. This means that for the last note, it has 8 times the value of the other singular notes that we have been playing. How you will count it is locate the 6, press it, and hold it for 2 seconds. And that's it. You can put it all together and attempt the practice example that we have. Thank you. Combining what was covered in this tutorial video, you can start reading the numbered notation sheets. Enjoy!